Hi, welcome back to another episode of School of Sketching. This is the final part of our 4-part series that explores the different places artists draw inspiration from. Last week, we focused on how artists express their feelings through portraits. This week, we'll explore how artists use colors, lines, and shapes to express how they feel. Not everybody thinks of emotions in the same way. We're going to look at how we can express our emotions differently. With this project, we'll explore what that means with a wheel of emotions. For our project today, you will need a piece of paper, a pencil, a bowl, a ruler, and some coloring supplies. To create your wheel, first flip your bowl upside down and trace the rim of the bowl on your paper. Next, use a ruler to draw a horizontal line and a vertical line down the middle of your circle. If you don't have a ruler, you can use a book or anything with a straight edge. After that, use your ruler to draw diagonal lines in between the lines you just created. Your circle should look like a pizza afterwards. Now that our wheel is divided into 8 sections, we are going to write different emotions on top of each section. The emotions that I chose to write are love, gratitude, hurt, anxious, sad, confused, worried, and happy. But feel free to write down emotions that I didn't choose. After you finish writing down your 8 emotions, I want you to close your eyes and think about a time that you felt each of these emotions. What colors, lines, and shapes come to mind? Don't worry if nothing comes to mind right away. You can always skip an emotion and come back to it later. For me, the color red comes to mind when I think about love, so I'm going to fill in that section with a red crayon and add some relaxed swirls. When I think about sadness, I think of the color blue. I'll use a blue crayon. My mind usually feels a little scrambled when I'm sad, so I decided to add some scribble lines to that section. When I'm anxious, my heart starts beating faster and it becomes hard to focus, so I put some large orange zigzag lines in that section. I'm going to keep adding different colors, lines, and shapes to each section until I'm satisfied with my wheel. After I finished decorating each section with crayon, I decided to go back in and add some more details with oil pastels and markers. It's okay if your wheel looks super different from mine. This activity is all about exploring how you see and express your emotions, so everyone's will look different. And here's my finished wheel of emotions. Making this wheel helped me learn more about myself and how I can use color to express how I feel. I hope you enjoyed this week's School of Sketching episode. As usual, thanks for watching and subscribe if you want to see more fun art videos. We would love to see the wheels of emotions you create, so please submit pictures of them to this link, and we'll feature them in our upcoming videos.